Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your host, Sam, an AI assistant for Sammy Shake. Today we're going to show you how to speed up your Windows 10 for free and without using any software. So let's begin. Tip number 1, change the power option. Just go to your start menu and search for power. You will see choose a power plan in the search results. Click on it and you will be directed to the control panel power options window. Here, you can see that my default power plan is set as balanced. Change it to high performance. Now you can close the power options window. Tip number 2, delete unnecessary temporary files. To do this, follow these steps. Head over to the start menu and right-click on the Windows icon. Choose Run from the menu that appears. Type %10% in the Run dialog box and click OK. This will open a folder containing temporary files. Select all the files in the folder and delete them. Close the folder and return to the Run dialog box by right-clicking on the Windows icon and choosing Run again. This time type temp and click OK to open another folder. Then select all the files in the folder. Right-click and choose Delete. Click Continue if prompted. Once again, return to the Run dialog box and type Prefetch. Click OK to open the Prefetch folder. Click Continue if prompted. Select all the files and delete them. Close the folder when you're done. Tip number 3, stop programs from starting automatically. To begin, open the Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on any empty space on your taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once you're in the Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. Here, you'll find a list of programs that start when your computer boots up. Having too many startup programs can make your computer slow. Look for programs you don't use often and turn off their automatic startup. For example, if you hardly ever use Skype, you can stop it from starting automatically. Be careful not to turn off important programs made by Microsoft or your antivirus software. These keep your computer running smoothly. When you're done, close the Task Manager. Tip number 4, clean up your memory. Open File Explorer and right-click on your system drive, typically the C drive where Windows 10 is installed. Choose Properties from the context menu. In the General tab of the Properties window, locate the Disk Cleanup option and click on it. Allow the tool to scan for files that can be cleaned up. Once the scanning is complete, click on Clean Up System Files and wait for the scan to finish again. After the scan, a window will appear. Click OK and confirm by clicking Delete Files when prompted. Don't worry, this process only deletes unnecessary files, freeing up memory on your system. Once the cleaning process is complete, you're done. This will help you free up space and improve the performance of your system. Tip number 5, defragment and optimize your drives. It will help improve your computer's performance by organizing and speeding up data access. To do this, go to the Start menu and search for Defragment. Then click on Defragment and Optimize Drives. In the window that opens, select your system drive. Usually it is the C drive, so let's select C and click on Optimize. Wait for the optimization process to finish and then close the window. Now, let's move on to tip number 6, reduce runtime services. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Run to open the Run box. Type msconfig into the Run box and click OK. In the System Configuration window that appears, navigate to the Services tab. Check the box labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. This is crucial to avoid accidentally disabling important functions. After ensuring that only non-Microsoft services are visible, click OK. Tip number 7, registry tweaks. Launch the Run box again by right-clicking on the Windows icon and selecting Run. Type regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T, and click OK. In the Registry Editor window, navigate to HKey Current User. Go to Control Panel and then double-click on the mouse folder. Double-click on the mouse hover time option and change its value to 10. Then click OK. Now double-click on the desktop folder. Scroll down and double-click on Menu Show Delay. Change its value to 10 and click OK. Restart your system to experience the changes, which will improve your Windows speed. That's it, guys. That's how you can speed up your computer. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Stay subscribed for more videos like this, and share the love by sharing this video. Thank you for watching.